Good afternoon, viewers, and assalamu alaikum. This is your host Mohammad Tariq Hassan today. तो chicken कढ़ाई के लिए let's what we need the ingredients like we got chicken मैंने लिया ही नहीं है. Good afternoon, viewers, and assalamu alaikum. This is your host Mohammad Tariq Hassan today, and today, viewers, I'm here to share one special recipe with you guys. I hope you guys would be really like it. Actually, recipe is very common, which is called chicken kadai, but we are going to make some special way. Because there are many ways to cook chicken kadai. You know, the people sometimes tomato, onion, yogurt, cream as well, right? But I'm going to show very simple, and this is actually original recipe of chicken kadai. But the special thing is because I'm going to make this chicken kadai in our like this clay pot, right? Which is very tasty, right? Whatever you cook curry in clay pot, it's make more tastier your curry. Add some special, you can say that the special taste and flavor with the clay, right? And in some countries they make pot in a special factory, right? And like little industry that people make at home, and you can find this clay pot easily in any Asian and Pakistani Indian shops. So okay, let's start our recipe. So our recipe called chicken कढ़ाई, as I told you. दोस्तों आज हम चिकन कढ़ाई बहुत सिंपल वे पे बनाने जा रहे हैं, और ये स्पेशल क्ले पॉट में हम बनाना चाह रहे हैं, मट्टी के प्याले में, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी होगा इसमें. और आप लोग ज़रूर घर पे ट्राई करिएगा, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग को ये रेसिपी बहुत पसंद आएगी. Okay, for chicken कढ़ाई we need ingredients like half kilo chicken, already got it here, and 4 tomato, medium tomato, and we need this chili powder 1 spoon, coriander powder 1 spoon, garam masala half spoon, turmeric powder 1/4 spoon, and salt as per your taste, and ginger garlic paste. Already got it here in cubes. You know what we do normally, we just make the paste garlic and ginger at home, and we freeze in cubes in the freezer. So whenever we need, we just get the cubes. You guys can preserve like that way as well at your home, you know. So that's a tip for you. And we need oil, right? So let's we start our recipe now. Turn on the stove first. Okay, just first. Right, turn on our stove. Put this clay pot on top of that. Right, this olive oil can add. Let's mix it up properly. Okay, let's add chicken inside the pot. Just mix it up, chicken, like and a little bit fried like 5 minutes, just turn into brown color. दोस्तों हमने इसमें ओलिव ऑयल डाल दिया है और चिकन को अपने डाल दिया, और इसको हम उस वक्त तक फ्राई करेंगे, लाइक 5 मिनट तक फ्राई करें जब तक इसका कलर जो है लाइट ब्राउन हो जाए. Okay, now viewers, you can see that our chicken already little brown. So going to add ginger garlic paste, just goes inside. Mix it up a little bit. दोस्तों आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि ये हमारी चिकन जो है वो लाइट ब्राउन कलर इसमें आ गया था. तो हमने जिंजर गार्लिक का पेस्ट जो हमने ऑलरेडी फ्रीज़ किया हुआ है, घर में होममेड है, और इसको हमने क्यूब्स की शक्ल में फ्रीज़ कर दिया. तो जब भी हमें ज़रूरत होती है हम इसको निकाल के यूज़ कर लेते हैं. आप लोग भी ऐसे कर सकते हैं. तो जिंजर गार्लिक का पेस्ट हमने डाल दिया है। And we're going to add all the spices. 1 spoon chili powder, 1 spoon coriander powder, half spoon garam masala, quarter spoon turmeric powder, and salt as per your taste. I think that should be enough. If we need more salt, we can add later on. Okay. And again, a little bit mix chicken with all the spices. And viewers, as I said, there are many ways to cook chicken karahi, but this is a very simple, actually original version. You know, uh, the concept is like the main thing: chicken and actually tomato. So, for example, if you're taking half kilo chicken, so you should also a small amount of tomato as well, like half kilo tomato. You know, so that's the basic thing. But you can add a little bit onion, then yogurt, then cream, you know, and only simple spice. You can use only crushed coriander, and that's it. You don't need any other spice. It's up to you. All right. दोस्तों मैं बता चुका हूँ आप लोगों को कि चिकन कढ़ाई बहुत से तरीके से बनाई जाती है, ठीक है, बट एक्चुअली ओरिजिनल वर्जन जो है वो यही है कि सिर्फ चिकन और टमाटर की आप कढ़ाई बनाएं। अगर आप चाहें तो आप इसमें अनियन, क्रीम, योगर्ट और मुख्तलिफ स्पाइसेस ऐड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन और चाहें तो आप बिल्कुल कम स्पाइस से बना लें, सिर्फ आप कोरिएंडर और हल्का सा गरम मसाला आप यूज़ करके ऐसे ही बना सकते हैं। तो ये देखें हमारी जो है वो स्पाइसेस के साथ we just little bit cooked our chicken like 5 minutes, and then we can add our tomato. Okay viewers, now we're going to add our tomato, which is already 4 tomato which is already peeled their skin and cut into half, right, and added up in our chicken. A little bit mix it up, stir 1 minute with tomato and chicken. Okay, and now we just cover the lid and leave this pot about on its medium flame about 20-25 minutes. But check in between, you know, a little bit, remove the lid and just check inside. But it's total time like 20 minutes, leave it on the stove. Okay viewers, meanwhile our chicken curry going to be ready in maybe 5-6 minutes. I'm going to tell you one thing here. One of my subscriber, her name Fatima, and she gave me actually this lovely printed bottle, you know. So thanks for Fatima if you're watching this video. All right, and I hope you will like this curry if you try at home. And thanks for this bottle. It's a lovely bottle, you know. So we're using in our video. And one of another subscriber, Sabina, and she asked me to make biryani in clay pot. So if Sabina, you're watching this video, so might be very soon I'll make biryani in this pot for you. So keep watching. Thanks. Okay viewers, so remove the lid and look at that inside. Oh wow, what a texture and what a aroma, you know, coming from the pot. So look, this our chicken karahi is ready now, so we can turn off the stove, or better first, yeah, we turn off the stove, and then as a garnish we add julienne cutting of green chili, fresh chili, add in our pot, and just ginger, fresh ginger, pull this inside, and I show you guys that our chicken Karahi can see that. Wow, that's the texture and the color, can see that. Okay viewers, so that's our chicken Karahi. I'm going to taste our chicken Karahi in my bite. A little bit chicken, ginger, chili, a little bit gravy, make mouthful bite. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, very tasty, and you can feel this curry cook in clay pot. Very nice, and chicken very soft, caramelized with all our spices, and top of that the garnish chili and ginger. Very nice, very tasty. You guys must try at your home. And viewers, if you like this video, so please do comments, like, share, thumbs up, and if you any recommendation, so please drop some line in the comment box. If you uh, wants to try some kind of recipe, your favorite dish, and any kind of dish, please let me know by doing the comments. And so till our next video, Allah Hafiz, goodbye.